Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's Slice Data with Saurabh. So today I'm going to talk about one certification. Everyone is talking about Agile. Everyone is talking about Scrum Master because all the projects are moving to ADO board and they ask you to do the Azure DevOps board and Azure Cloud, and there are so many things which are coming there and they want you to act as a Scrum Master. But for that, even if you are working in a Scrum or Agile environment, you have to do one certification. Certification is must. Why? Because if you do not do that, they will not consider you as a Scrum Master or Agile Master, or to manage a team of the developers, product owner. There are so many roles actually in this particular kind of structures, Agile. So today I will tell you 3 simple steps that how can you get certified as PSM1 Professional Scrum Master 1 certification from scrum.org. I will tell you the cost of that, okay, what is the cost involved into that? And that money is reimbursable by most of the companies. If you're working in any IT company and you are working in Agile environment, you want to become a project manager, a Scrum lead or something, Scrum Master, you have to do that certification. And there are only 3 steps to follow. And only $150 you have to spend, around 10,000, 11,000 rupees. And which in most of the companies, that is reimbursable. So let me share my screen and we will start from there. I will show you everything in detail that, okay, what are the things you have to do. So I'm selecting this, I'm saying share it. I hope my screen is up now. So see, this kind of certifications you have to do. That is called Professional Scrum Master, which I did recently. And it is like ongoing certification, means you do not have to renew that. Only $150 you have to spend for this kind of certification. And it will give you some value. It will add value to your resume. Even though if you are working in an Agile environment or a Scrum environment, but if you are not certified, people will not give you value. I did that in August 8, 2022, a month back. I wanted to create this video for everyone who wants to learn, okay, and want to perform this certification. Things are very easy for you. I'm telling you, if you just follow the 3 steps. And what are those 3 steps? I will tell you. First, you have to get this kind of certification. You have to spend $150 only. That's it. You have to go to the scrum.org and you have to create one. See, this is scrum.org. Create one login account for you from your Gmail ID, from your company ID, wherever you want. But first take permission from your project manager, from your manager, from your line manager, that I'm going to do this Professional Scrum Master certification. And it will cost around $150. So where you will see that, I will show you. By PSM1 assessment. So if you click on that, so here if I say I want to do one, an update cart, so it is like around $150 which you have to spend there. Professional Scrum Master 1 certification cost you $150 only, and it will give you authority to write as PSM1 Professional Scrum Master certification. You have to just go to the scrum.org and log in and do means like purchase this PSM1 assessment. One time you have to pay $150. If you get passed, it is a 60-minute time box where you have to do the test. And you have to score around 80% to pass this particular exam. So 60 questions will be there. 48 is the thing. You have to get that. And I believe you will get it very, very fast. It is not like a very tough exam, I'm telling you. But it will add a value to your profile, to your LinkedIn profile or wherever you want. Okay, so now if I tell you what all you have to do basically to clear this kind of an exam. Okay, so you have to learn about these three things. I told you only three things you have to do. The first thing is called the Scrum Guide by Mr. Ken and Jeff. You just do Google and type the Scrum Guide, the definitive guide to Scrum, the rules of the game. Simple 14-page document. You have to just go through that. What all the things are given there, I will tell you. The Scrum definition, theory, then Scrum values, Scrum team, Scrum events, sprint planning, Scrum artifacts, backlog, and node acknowledgement. That's it. Only 14-page document. If you read it 3 times, it will prepare you for the test, for the Scrum certification test, PSM1. You will become professional Scrum master. Just read this particular document. Just see there, Ken and Jeff, and the name is Scrum Guide, the definitive guide to Scrum, the rules of the game, November 2020. Just type it in the Google, the Scrum Guide, and download this. Only 14-page document. If you just go through it like 2-3 times, you are ready for the exam. Along with that, you have to do one more thing. See, everything is not so easy. You have to give some of the time there to do that. The second thing is there's a training manual, the Scrum Master Training Manual, a guide to passing the Professional Scrum Master PSM exam by Mr. Nader and Frank. So this thing you have to download again. It is only 36-page document. 14-page document is Scrum Guide and training manual is 36-page. These 2 documents you have to go through in detail. It will tell you what is Scrum, what is Agile, when do we need that, Scrum team consist of what kind of roles are there, then the nature of the Scrum events, artifacts, product backlog, sprint backlog, definition of done. Just go through these 2 documents. I assure you, nobody in the world can stop you to get that certificate, which is like $150. The first time is $150. If you fail, if you did not get 80%, you have to give $150 again in the second attempt. So better give some mock test. Mock tests are also there. Scrum mock test will help you to gain that kind of knowledge that, okay, what kind of questions are there and how do you learn them? So for that, 3 things I told you. The first thing is the Scrum Guide. The second thing is the Scrum Master Training Manual. And the third thing is Scrum Open Assessment, scrum.org. So if you click on this, it will take you to the Scrum Open Assessment. And just click on this. Start assessment. So there are only 30 questions in the Open Scrum Assessment. See, 30 minutes time, 30 minutes this, only 1% and 85% passing mark are given here. So if you clear this exam, let's say 5 times in a row, just read 2 documents. One is a Scrum Guide, the other is Scrum Master Manual. That's it. If you read these 2 documents and give this test at least 5 times without fail, reach 100%. And the best part is that if you give this Scrum Open test, in the end, it will explain all the answers. Let's say you in the first attempt, you got only 40% marks. So 40% marks, if you get, it will give you the exam, means explanation for the rest of the 60% also, along with this 40%. So that will help you. Just give this test like 4 to 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, whatever you want, and make sure that you are getting 100% marks out of it. Then directly go to the shopping cart here and continue, purchase this $150 test and give that. And you will get this kind of certificate if you are able to clear that 80% of the questions out of 60. 48 questions are there. You have to clear out of 60. So once you clear that, you will get the certification. Simple. So why to target for 80? Try for 90, 100. Do everything. Means like just do these 3 steps, which I told you. One is the Scrum Guide by Mr. Ken and Jeff. The second is Scrum Master Training Manual. That is by Mr. Nader and Frank. And then do this open assessment at least 5 times, with 100% marks. Once you do that, go to your shopping cart in scrum.org for the PSM1 assessment. Purchase this. It is only $150 test. give your credit card details. It will continue and update your card and give the test. Once you clear the exam, you will reach to this certification, which is called PSM1. So friends, I hope everybody will take the advantage of these 3 steps and get certified as a professional Scrum Master. If you have any query, any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will give the link of this Scrum guide and this training manual in my description section, as well as this is scrum.org open assessment also. Otherwise, you can just go and Google it. Everything is on the Google. If you do these 3 steps, you will become a PSM1 certified. I assure you. Then your role, your role change will start. Let's say you are working as a developer or something, or you want to enter into this field as a project manager or something. So if you do this, this is only a 1 step. You have to do, there are some other steps as well. PSPO certification is there, leading safe certification is there. So there are so many certifications which you have to do to learn about Agile, Scrum and everything. That is going to help you. So I hope you like this. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This video is very important. I want everybody to be this Scrum Master certified. And once you do that, please share your certificate in the comment section, so that at least I will know that even if 1 person has done that, my efforts are okay, or I am able to at least help someone. Okay. So friends, this is the whole word I am telling you. It's going into the Agile, Scrum and everything. So that will definitely is going to help you. Keep like, share and subscribe my channel. That is a very important thing. And yes, I know that I'm off of means I'm not able to put a lot of videos there, but yes, this video is very important. Next time what I will do the 30 questions in front of you, and I will tell you explain you that where it is, what it is, and then you can do this open assessment like 5 times, as I told you, with 100%, and go through this manual and Scrum guide. That's it. You are ready for the test. Where you have to give the test, scrum.org. I will give the link in my description. I hope this video is going to help you. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Enjoy, everyone. Life is beautiful. Thank you. Bye.